painted down desk by the window pane, rain on the glass and a midnight train. Daddy worked doubles, mama made do, whole damn future in electric blue. Manual thick like a preacher's book, didn't know the words but I knew the hook. Typed my name into unknown space, watched it blink back like it knew my face. They said, boy, that thing won't take you far, but I saw stars hiding in every bar. Every letter felt like stolen fire, every command pulled a wire. We learned to dream in electric blue on a cracked TV and a borrowed truth. Wrote our names where the silence grew in lines of code we were breaking through. No silver spoon, no royal view, just a screen that let us choose. Yeah, we learned to dream in electric blue. 56K in a paper sack, floppy spinning like a beating heart back. Neighbor's kid had a copy of Fate. We traded futures in a plastic crate, cursor blinking like a quiet dare. Every line said it's still not fair, but the machine didn't care where I'd been, only cared what I typed within. Didn't need permission, didn't need a throne, just a quiet room and a mind alone, while the world outside kept shutting doors. We were building keys on bedroom floors. We learned to dream in electric blue on a cracked TV and a borrowed truth. Wrote our names where the silence grew in lines of code we were breaking through. No silver spoon, no royal view, just a screen that let us choose. Yeah, we learned to dream in electric blue. They taught us limits in concrete schools, taught us fear like it was a rule, but that blinking light said try again, said failure's just a comma, not the end. While the grown-ups slept in borrowed doubt, we were teaching the future how to come out. We learned to dream in electric blue on a cracked TV and a borrowed truth. From basement floors to a wider view, we bent the rules just to see them move. No strength